مرحبا بكم متتبعين قناة اصنع عالمك. في هذا الفيديو الجديد اليوم سنقوم بالعمل على هذا التصميم وليس بالفوتوشوب بل بالاليستريتور، وسيكون عمل الجريم ارت، يعني ما يسمى بوجه الزومبي او تأثير الذوبان كما يسميه البعض. وفي هذا التصميم أوحت لي أن أقوم بتصميم جريم ارت لا يكون أرضي بل يكون فضائي، بهذه الأشياء التي تكون كالملابس والخوذات الفضائية. ولكن قبل أن نبدأ أحبابي في هذا الدرس، المرجو الاشتراك في القناة وتفعيل زر الجرس والضغط على لايك كتحفيز لنا. الآن سنبدأ في هذا الفيديو على بركة الله. سأقوم بتسريع الفيديو لأنه طويل جدا، والآن ما يتبقى لي أن أقول لكم فرجة ممتعة.
I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. swear I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring. Say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go.
فكان هذا هو تصميمنا لهذا اليوم. كيف ما ترون يعني بتأثيرات احترافية للغاية كيف ما ترون. فإذا كان أعجبك هذا الدرس فلا تبخل علينا بالاشتراك وتفعيل زر الجرس والضغط على اللايك كتحفيز لنا. الآن تبقى لي أن أقول لكم استودعكم الله في درس آخر إن شاء الله.